Well, today is going to be a short day, but I did get some things for the upside down room put in. I thought it'd be hilarious if the dog and cat were at each other, but I carved a chunk out of my finger. So yeah, we'll be done for today, and I'm going to go grab some things that we need from the Fun Home Store, like small hinges and things like that. Dogs and cats living together, it's chaos. Ooh, today is very overcast. It's very upset with all that smoke in the air and wants to clean it out. Good for me. And it's also nice and crisp in the mornings now. Hopefully it'll stay that way. Nice. Got the frame fixed in the position. And ta-da! Boop! I love these type of scares. And I moved the painting that was mostly covered up to right there. Also added the last two paintings that were just hanging around, that one and that one. And I was going to put some more things on the top, but you know what, for safety reasons, I'm going to wait until I have another set of hands to continue that. Because honestly, that cradle is a lot heavier than it looks. Let's work on some signage. We didn't get much done yesterday because of the rain, so we shall see what kind of damage there is, if any. Because unlike the previous storms, it was not a flash flood. It was just pretty well raining all day. Yay, more things filled with water. But this is still soaking wet enough to be dripping water still. And I'm not too worried about the desk. It was already wrecked when we got it. But luckily the tops in here don't seem like they need to be redone. Yeah, a whole lot of tote tipping going on today. Oops. I was trying not to get it into the one next to it, and I ended up getting it into the one underneath it. Well, good. I was afraid that this might swell up a little bit, but it didn't. Boop. Boop. And then that one still needs to be re-stapled. Did a great job on these guys, and the ones trying to leave their areas. And luckily in here, there is a new liquid. Nice. I'm still going to have to sweep off all the gunk once it dries up, but no biggie. It's always like that. All right, we're earlier to get some work done, and now we're caffeinated. Let's go. For the day, for the week. This is what we got done today. So I switched this. I didn't like being able to see the edge of the curtain, so now it's just that. I moved it on the inside. Now we did a lot more decorating in here. I put up the flicker flame whatever lights. Yeah, you can see that one better. I was just trying to cover it so you couldn't see exactly what it is. This whole section right here is going to be covered up. Going to staple that one down better because it lets in a lot of light. Just adding creepy cloth and ambiance everywhere. We got some hanging ghouls here. There, you can see them better that way. I think they're scarier if you can't see them very good. They almost look like a two-headed thing right here. And this one is plugged in, ready to go. This is the same one as before, where I think only one of these, or one or two of these, is loose and has to be re-glued, which is totally fine. Not as bad as the other one, which every single one of them almost fell out. Terrible, terrible. But these guys are attached permanently. Again, just some stuff to cover it. And it's also a way to not be able to see this next scare, which is these shutters right over here. And then we chose this as the one coffin that will be out here because it can have a light in it. It's already wired for those things. And I'm also going to put in the motion sensor to yell and scream and say, let me out, I'm not dead, who knows what. But something cool and funny. We have some stuff set up in here to put, but we haven't set it up just yet, like the mounts for the wall. They wanted the person in the office to have a pet rat. You can't really see him because he fell over. That might be a little easier to see the rat in there. Like, yeah, it fell over. Can't remember exactly how we got it in that tiny little door. But it looks so much better already. That is great. Still getting these other rooms set up. These candles are reattached to the thing. Let's test it out.
This one decided to give me problems and I moved it like this just to test.
It looks beautiful. Again?
This stupid, because like look, if I move them,
yeah,
they don't do anything. But if I move this one,
yeah, it has to, probably has to have some coming down this side too.
yeah, I'm gonna shove some more glue right here.
Well, not only that, but if you have it here and then it goes around this, it'll definitely stay on
Okay,
better.
I'll do that.
Now, even though as haunters we're picky and be like, oh, the glue looks brand new, guess what? It's going to age and get all yellow and disgusting, same as the other glue.
It
So
also doesn't look the greatest.
just be patient. You know what? If they're staring at this, then we're not scaring them enough.
These are
We got some cool things on the shelves
I like how I
here.
did that. I was debating on how to put the urn.
This is the only one that's not attached because it's full of disgusting teeth. And I think it'll be a great scare, especially if you tell people you want to add their teeth to your collection.
Also, the urns are kind of hard to decide where I wanted to put them, but like I like them like that.
I think they look great.
I need to cover the top of the bottom one, but I didn't want the one to.
Bones.
Yeah, I like them.
Flies, rats, eyeball. All right, so this is what I was talking about. I wanted the actor to be able to turn it on and off. And this is the one that has the on-off switch. Oh, but it has to be the off and then. Okay, this thing is so janky. Whatever. But yeah, you get my gist. So it's going to be attached somewhere over here that's underneath, and then when the scare is happening, they're going to turn it on. Like, oh my god, I'm burning up! Something like that. And then we didn't add anything to the greenhouse today, but it's so horrible, and I love it. People are going to hate it. This is going to be their most hated room. I know it. Hello, toads. And as you can see, we still have a plethora of greenery to stick everywhere. It's just too uncoated in here. And then some creepy things were added in here. Nothing new in here, it's just fantastic. However, I do need to possibly cover that hole. I don't know, it might let in some light from the lights that are covering the greenhouse. Like this is covered up, but that was already covered up. And the only thing new in here is, oh, the dog is broken again. I don't know exactly how to get that leg to stay because as is, it's about to fall off the ceiling. So, yeah, we'll have to figure that out or else this whole cat and dog thing ain't gonna work. But I am going to add a lamp probably right here so they know like where to go around. Well, that's it for this week. Excited for more building stuff. Yes. More details, more builds, and more awesome amazingness. See you soon.